The iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be Apple's biggest and boldest upgrade in years. And trust me, this thing is going to destroy the iPhone 17 in every possible way. Rocket from a completely redesigned body and under-display Face ID to a next-gen 2nm A19 Pro chip with mind-blowing AI power. The leaks are going absolutely wild right now. We're talking about a phone that's not just faster and smarter. It's practically from the future. Imagine a true all-screen design, a 1-inch Pro-level camera sensor, a tandem OLED display that hits 3000 nits of brightness, and a graphene battery that charges to 50% in under 15 minutes. Flushed face. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In today's video, we're diving deep into 6 insane leaks that reveal how the iPhone 18 Pro Max could completely change the game for 2025, including its release date, pricing, and why tech insiders are calling it the biggest iPhone leap in history. So buckle up, because if these leaks are true, the iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution. Fire. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is already shaping up to be one of the most revolutionary smartphones Apple has ever made, and according to recent leaks, it's going to completely outclass the iPhone 17 in every possible way. While the iPhone 17 series hasn't even had time to settle into the market, insiders are already buzzing about Apple's next big step for 2025. The iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just another annual refresh. It's rumored to be a major technological leap forward, introducing cutting-edge hardware, next-level AI intelligence, and futuristic design elements that could redefine what we expect from a smartphone. With 6 insane leaks now surfacing online, tech enthusiasts are calling this the biggest generational upgrade in years. In this detailed breakdown, we'll explore every major leak about the iPhone 18 Pro Max, from its game-changing chip and camera system to its design, battery life, and possible release timeline. Let's start with what's powering this monster, the Apple A19 Pro chip. Built on a refined 2nm process, the A19 Pro is expected to be the most efficient and powerful smartphone processor ever made. Leaks suggest that Apple is working closely with TSMC to push the boundaries of silicon efficiency, delivering up to 40% better performance and 35% improved power efficiency compared to the A18 Pro found in the iPhone 17 series. But the biggest story here isn't raw power, it's intelligence. The A19 Pro will reportedly feature Apple's most advanced neural engine to date, designed to handle on-device generative AI tasks like photo enhancement, voice commands, and live translation without relying on cloud processing. This means the iPhone 18 Pro Max could process AI tasks locally, making your device faster, more private, and far more capable. Expect features like real-time video editing, personalized Siri responses, and instant AI-driven app organization, all happening in milliseconds. This leap in on-device intelligence positions the iPhone 18 Pro Max as Apple's first truly AI-centric smartphone. Now, let's talk about design, because this is where things get really interesting. Apple is reportedly planning a complete design overhaul for the iPhone 18 Pro Max. According to leaked CAD renders, Apple will introduce a titanium alloy unibody with an even slimmer chassis and curved edges that feel more natural in hand. The bezels, already tiny on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, are expected to shrink to an almost invisible 1.2 mm, giving the phone a seamless all-screen appearance. The display itself is said to feature an even more durable Ceramic Shield 2.0 protection, along with a new matte anti-glare coating similar to what's found on Apple's Pro Display XDR. But perhaps the most exciting design leak is the under-display Face ID. Yes, Apple might finally hide the sensors completely beneath the display, eliminating the dynamic island for good. This would make the iPhone 18 Pro Max the first iPhone to feature a completely uninterrupted screen, with a small punch hole for the selfie camera, or possibly even an invisible under-display lens, if leaks prove accurate. Speaking of displays, Apple is rumored to take another massive leap forward with the next-generation OLED technology. Multiple sources report that the iPhone 18 Pro Max will feature a tandem OLED panel, the same kind introduced in the iPad Pro M5. This display uses dual OLED layers to boost brightness, contrast, and energy efficiency. Expect peak brightness levels up to 3000 nits, making it the brightest smartphone screen ever. The color accuracy, HDR performance, and refresh rate, still 120 Hz with promotion, will all see enhancements thanks to Apple's new Display Engine Pro, optimized for HDR10+ and Dolby Vision content. Combined with adaptive refresh rates and better sunlight visibility, The iPhone 18 Pro Max will deliver one of the most immersive visual experiences on any mobile device. Let's move on to what might be the biggest camera upgrade in iPhone history. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to feature an entirely new 1-inch stacked main sensor, developed in partnership with Sony. This sensor is said to dramatically improve low-light performance, color reproduction, and dynamic range. Leaks also suggest a 48MP ultra-wide lens and a 6x periscope telephoto lens, capable of optical zoom that rivals professional cameras. Apple is reportedly integrating AI-powered adaptive optics, which automatically stabilizes and focuses based on subject movement, a feature inspired by DSLR-level autofocus systems. The front camera will also get a major refresh with a 24MP sensor and improved portrait depth mapping for cinematic quality selfies. And thanks to the A19 Pro's AI engine, video recording is expected to reach new heights, possibly supporting 8K 60 frames per second ProRes HDR recording. Combine that with real-time background editing, new film modes, and color grading directly on the device, and it's clear that Apple wants the iPhone 18 Pro Max to be the go-to camera for professionals and creators alike. Battery life and charging are two other areas where Apple seems ready to make a statement. The iPhone 18 Pro Max will reportedly feature a new graphene-based battery, allowing for better heat dissipation and longer lifespan. This technology could provide up to 20 hours of active screen-on time, nearly a 30% improvement over the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple is also testing 65W fast wired charging through USB-C 2.1 and faster MagSafe 2.0 wireless charging, capable of reaching 35W speeds. These upgrades mean users can charge from 0 to 50% in under 15 minutes, a first for an iPhone. Combined with improved thermal management from the A19 chip and iOS optimization, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could offer the best battery experience in Apple's history. Connectivity and software are also getting smarter. The iPhone 18 Pro Max will support Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and 5G Advanced, enabling ultra-fast download speeds and low-latency connections ideal for streaming, gaming, and AR applications. Max could process AI tasks locally, making your device faster, more private, and far more capable. Expect features like real-time video editing, personalized Siri responses, and instant AI-driven app organization, all happening in milliseconds. This leap in on-device intelligence positions the iPhone 18 Pro Max as Apple's first truly AI-centric smartphone. Now, let's talk about design, because this is where things get really interesting. Apple is reportedly planning a complete design overhaul for the iPhone 18 Pro Max. According to leaked CAD renders, Apple will introduce a titanium alloy unibody with an even slimmer chassis and curved edges that feel more natural in hand. The bezels, already tiny on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, are expected to shrink to an almost invisible 1.2 millimeters, giving the phone a seamless all-screen appearance. The display itself is said to feature an even more durable Ceramic Shield 2.0 protection, along with a new matte anti-glare coating similar